SiO2 Quick Coat is the fastest way to clean and protect your vehicle. SiO2 Quick Coat is derived from silicon dioxide as well as linear, non-ionic surfactants. The surfactants encapsulate the dirt, preventing scratching, while the SiO2 lays down a layer of long-lasting protection. These two main ingredients, along with the other polymer binders, are what give SiO2 Quick Coat their top 5 characteristics. Quick Coat is an ideal product for waterless washing. So if you don't have access to adequate water or live in a water-restricted area, the surfactants in Quick Coat encapsulate any dirt that may be on the surface, making it completely safe and scratch-free way to wash your car. Not only do the surfactants help encapsulate the dirt and wash them off the surface, but then the SiO2 component of Quick Coat comes in to fill minor imperfections in your paintwork. So minor scratches, little blemishes here and there are actually leveled with the SiO2 or silicon dioxide. It's the leveling effect that gives you that unmatched depth and shine on your paintwork. The SiO2 resins cross-link together, forming a semi-permanent layer of protection. It is this cross-linking that ensures that you have complete coverage over your entire vehicle. Quick Coat is a simple spray and wipe off formula. Simply spray the product directly on the panel, allowing for adequate coverage across that entire panel. Allow 10 to 15 seconds for the surfactants to encapsulate the dirt on the surface. Take your first towel and simply wipe off the encapsulated dirt off the surface. After you remove the encapsulated dirt, allow for another 5 to 10 seconds for the SiO2 to properly level the surface. Now take your second towel and simply buff to a high shine.